Hey peeps, it's time again for last month's In a Nutshell. In short, LAMON. For those who are new and don't know what this is about, I am basically on every first of each month recapping the whole previous month regarding what I've done in terms of content creation and how far I've gotten in terms of follower growth and stuff like that. So let's dive right into it. I have 3 sheets with three tables to keep track on all the things that I'm doing. And you can see in June, in the whole month of June, I've only created 9 posts on Instagram. Compared to the month to May, it's 10 posts less. And yeah, that continues with YouTube. I've only created 5 videos on YouTube, which is 4 less than in May. However, on Twitter, I tweeted 47 tweets. And on Medium, I've written 6 articles the last month and compared to 0 the month previously. And you'll see how that results into very contradicting numbers in terms of follower. We'll get to that in a second. On Patreon, I've only posted 3 posts. I should have posted more because for each video I do, I have at least 2 posts to be made. One is letting my patrons know that there's a new video, and one is letting my patrons know where to download the source code, right, for each video, and even more. So I have kind of neglected that, but I will get back into that for July. Now, you can see I've made less on Instagram and YouTube, I've made more on Twitter and Medium, and I've made less on Patreon. Now, let's get to the follower sheet because that's the interesting part. On Instagram, I have gained 2,398 more followers during the last month, although I've only posted 9 pictures. How comes? I think this is because of all the other things I've done as well, which are, for example, I've made a lot of stories. For example, a hackathon. I've made probably even 2 hackathons during June, which people really liked, which was just like build an app in 8 hours from idea finding to releasing. So if you want to check it out, in the description box you have my social media links, so you can check out my Instagram. On YouTube, I've gained 450 more subscribers, although I only created, 5 videos. Now, the reason why this is because I have jumped on a hype train because of WWDC, right? June was the month of WWDC, and Apple posted or revealed a lot of new topics, a lot of new hype topics, and I immediately took the chance and grabbed those topics and wrote about them on Medium. Once I've, for example, finished an article on Monday about a topic, I just started to make a video on that topic on Tuesday and linked the video inside the article. So I have like a connection. I've posted that. It already grew in reach, and then I made a video, posted it, and linked it, so it will get even more traction and will grow. And then I made a new article, so people would then follow me because they see, oh, there's a consistency. And then I made a new video on the new article topic and then linked it back. And so this combination, kind of with the hype, really skyrocketed not only YouTube but also Twitter, because for each video and article I would post on Twitter and people would see, oh, consistency, oh, so many new articles or resources regarding the new topics, I want to follow that guy to get more info about that. And also on Medium, because of the articles, I have gained 122 more followers on Medium. And now, since I'm linking in my articles on Medium as well, my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and my Twitter, people who are reading those articles, they will see my social media. They will see I'm active there, I'm active on YouTube, I'm active on Instagram. And then when they are interested, they follow me there as well. So this is all interconnected and helping and supporting each other. So that is something I definitely want to continue for the next month, to write an article, publish a video, link back to the article, and have them work together. On Patreon, I've gained 1 more patron, which is nice. That means we have 6 in total. And I will, for next month, prepare a new sheet or new diagram, because right now on Instagram we have so high numbers that the gap between Instagram and all the other platforms are so high that we can barely see a progress for the other platforms in the diagram. So I'll just separate them each platform will get its own diagram, so we really see a growth or a decrease. All right, so that's for that next month. I will improve that. The income question: how much have I generated? Now, overall, the black thing is a good one because that's the sum, right? You can see summary. So I've gained more than last month. However, this is not completely based on my efforts. So we will see that. YouTube, I'm still not meeting the requirements to add ads in front of my videos. I still need 1,500 more watch hours to meet those requirements. However, on Patreon, since I've gained one more patron, I have now $14 more per month. Actually $3 more, but in total I have $14 per month. And on Spreadshirt, I've only sold a few, so basically I only made $2. So that's way less, as you can see, compared to the months before, $30 less. And on in-app purchase, I also made $3 less. However, the government started to support me, which just started now, which gave me $258 for the last few days. And for July and up for the next upcoming months, I will get 1,100 for each month, and that is because I've worked for a year and I've paid for that support in case I get unemployed and search for new work. And then for that time period, the government will pay me back what I've paid, for example, and support me during that time. And that is the supporting money that I'm getting here, which lowers a little bit the stress to really get money in so I can pay my bills and so on, but it does not lower at all my efforts. So July is going to be crazy because everything I've done in June is kind of a preparation for July. So not only I will get a lot of more money from the government, of course, but I've done a lot of efforts in my Social Down app, which is a new pro feature which I will finish and publish this month now, July, which will hopefully drive the in-app purchase a lot upwards. That means I will hopefully make a lot more in-app purchases for July. I will get more government money. I will get more Spreadshirt money in because I will start collaborating with other people, which hopefully gets me a lot of traction on YouTube, which then results into more people looking into the description box, seeing that I have Patreon and Spreadshirt and so on, and liking the merch, thus selling more merch. So everything should just grow a lot aside from my efforts of still doing articles and videos and linking them together and starting to post them on Patreon again so people have benefits from it. And so yeah, that is about it. That's about it. And one more thing, we will start to also look on Social Blade. Social Blade is a platform where you can see your statistics regarding YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and so on by typing in your username. And what I like to do is now to see on Social Blade the calculation, the future projections for my YouTube channel, because Social Blade calculates on average how far you will get by what time. So for now, it will tell me I will have reached 2,500 subscribers by the 1st of September. And the funny thing is, that's what I think it is the average calculation on the average what other people are getting when they continued getting the growth that I'm having right now. But I am different. I'm outworking the average, and so why I'm including Social Blade right now into our video every month is to look back on each video and see how we outworked Social Blade's average calculation for our future projection, because it also says that I will reach 200,000 subscribers in the year 2024. My goal is to reach that number by the end of next year, which is 2020. And so it only says, well, I will reach 20,000. I highly doubt that, right? And so that's going to be very interesting to see that Social Blade will adapt, right? Once we reach 2,500 subscribers, let's say next month, it will not tell me that I will reach it by the 1st of September. It will adjust its calculation. And I'm super curious to see how Social Blade has to adjust over and over again the calculation on my future projections. So that's why I will include that, and also for you, so you can check out your future projections if you are interested in, and having it as a reference. All right, I mean, that's it for this month's Lemon. If you want to check out next month's Lemon, make sure to subscribe, because this is going to be very interesting in many ways. it already, like today is the 1st of July and already something happened really huge, which will change those numbers a lot. So again, check out the description box for all my social media, my merch, my Patreon. If you want to support me doing YouTube full time, let me know in the comment section if you have anything you want me to talk about in this series that I have not talked about, right? Let me know your feedback. I am super happy to incorporate it. And yeah, see you hopefully in the next one. Bye.